Yeah, you take anything. I'll give you. It's no problem, brother. Take it. All right. You want anything else? Take it from here. Anything.
Okay.
Just. Hmm. Don't worry, brother. You just take it. I'll help you. Inshallah. No problem. Oh my God! You lost in the Korea? You lost in Korea, right? Korea.
Yes.
Ah. So can you drive or without drive? Okay. So giving $10 gas also, brother. Go ahead. You go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead. Put the gas for you.
Okay.
No problem. Take this. Take it. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank
I'll
you.
help you. Don't worry about it. You are all a good man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I wish you good. Thank you. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you.